All right, so number 8, we're going to find the area of the shaded regions, and the area of this region is just the sector, okay? So we know that the area of the sector is defined by this formula, theta over 360, and in this case, our theta is our angle, so that's going to be 70 degrees over 360. We're going to multiply that by pi. The radius is 10, and then we're going to square that radius. So now we can just type that in. 70 divided by 360. This gets you 7 over 300 over 360 times pi times 100. So I'm just going to multiply this by 100. Okay. And I can get here 175 over 9 pi, or you can say roughly times pi. That is roughly 61.1. Okay, there you go. So next, let's do this one. The sector is equal to the theta, which is the angle. In here, it's 293 over 360 times pi r, which is going to be 10 squared. So we have 293 divided by 360. Okay, that does not simplify, and we multiply that by 100. And that gets you what? Whoa, that is like 81.4 pi, or if you want to use pi, it is 255.7. Okay, so there you go. That is how you find the area of a sector. It is just theta over 360 times pi r squared.